guys, my name is Mohammed, and in this video I'm going to show you how to completely reset a Cisco switch and prepare it for new usage. Well, clear out old configures, remove VLAN database, prevent VLANs from being relearned via VTP, and make sure your switch is ready for boot IP version 4 and IP version 6 traffic. Start by connecting your PC to the switch. We need the console cable here to this, and we go to terminal. Okay, and as you can see, we connected to switch. Perfect. First things first, we change the configure terminal, we change the host name. This is something that I used to, but here obviously we don't need it. Next, let's clean up the VLAN database, and we need to run these commands. But before that, I create a VLAN, exit. Now we need these commands to clear out all the database that's related to VLANs. Here we have an old switch and we want to connect it to our networks, but if we don't clear the VLANs and old configuration, maybe this configuration influenced on our network. So we need to make sure we clear out every configuration. First, we need this command to see all the things that are in flash. Flash is our memory. As you see, we use the delete vlan.dat here. This is the enter, and let's check what happened. Yes, we delete our VLAN database, and now we need to ensure the full startup configuration and sensitive settings like RSK key are removed. So all things are in a multiply FS, delete. So as you can see, we don't have this directory or files because I used the new switches, but in this lab you should consider we have old switches and we have this file. After that, we need to erase startup configuration because all the configure is here. Let's show you show run, and in show run you can see the most configuration. So we need to erase it. A startup config. Yes, and you can see it says erasing NVR file system will remove all configuration files. Perfect. Then we want to verify what is in NVR and use NVR, and we don't have such things because we erased the startup config. Now we want to set SDM template for IP version 6. Actually, by default, most switches aren't ready for IP version 6, and we need to make it ready. So show SDM prefer Obviously we don't have it. We go to the configure terminal and type SDM prefer dual IP version 6 and IP version 4 and IP version 6 routing. Yes. Look at the message. Change the running SDM preferences have been stored. And it says show SDM prefer. Do show SDM prefer. You can see on next reload, template will be desktop IP version 4 and IP version 6 routing. So go back, reload, yes. We should wait to reload our switch. Here, show SDM prefer. Yes, perfect. Bingo. Now we need to prevent VTP VLAN relearning. If your switch is connected to other VTP, might relearn VLANs from them. To avoid this, set the switch to transport mode. This is necessary and I recommend it. VTP mode transparent, exit, show VTP status, and you can see VTP operation mode is transport. Now we need to set hostname and disable unused service. For example, configure terminal, we change the hostname and no IP domain, lookup, no IP, HTTP server. Obviously this the packet tracer doesn't have this command, but in real world you need this secure server, and you can see it doesn't have, but you can learn how to shut down a new service. That's it. Your Cisco switch is now fully reset and ready for fresh configuration. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out the next video where we start configuration, other things, and something important that's related about security. So I recommend it to watch next video. See you soon. Bye.